lighthouse. Welcome to Kapu Beach, guys.
It looks amazing, like Goa. So we've come to this Kapu Beach. The sea looks amazing but quite deep. This is the only beach here in which people don't advise that we go into the water. It's a rocky beach, a lot of rocks inside, and you can maybe see Nishan somewhere trying to take a picture of the lighthouse. We wanted to see the lighthouse, but it's closed because of COVID, so we won't be able to go inside. But it's good to at least have a look even from outside. This is cool, man. This is really cool.
Waves hitting all the rocks here, and that's the lighthouse. See?
I think this is one of the best spots we found for pictures, isn't it?
Yes.
And I've taken a really good picture of you. That should be your DP, your next DP.
Let's go down.
Nishan is totally worried about me getting down this rock. I think I'm going to be fine. And I think that's because I'm carrying his camera. Oh, look at the bird. Spot the bird. Wow, it's so cute.
There. Yeah,
So
there you go,
cute.
birdie.
Zoom karo.
Finding some worms and seashells.
Can you zoom it?
Let's go down. Oh, the water comes and the bird. Oh.
Oh, this is such a cute video, honey.
Come on, birdie. Will you get some food tonight?
Are you going to go in the water to swim, birdie?
Oh, come, darling, come. Oh, all right. Oh, there you go again.
It's really cute now.
Whoa, don't run away.
Hours later.
Hi, guys.
Hi! We're going to Krishna Matha and Woodlands Hotel for veg Sattvic meals.
Wow. Sabu will be excited.
Yes, we're all excited.
Let's hope it's open.
Uncle Laurie,
Oh,
how are you?
I'm good.
What do you have to say about veg Sattvic food?
I hate veg.
Oh.
This is the main mutt, Shri Krishna mutt. Looks so beautiful. Kapu, you also shop? What did you buy?
Got this to do dhoop in the evening at home.
Okay.
And some sandalwood sticks.
Oh, nice.
And I got something free with it.
That's what matters the most.
Really cute this little stand to keep the stick and agarbatti.
Wow. If you are insisting, we'll come. Excited to eat veg food.
Yeah, finally.
Looks what, Gigi?
Looks very promising.
Promising, yes. Wow, nice. Sabu, where are we right now?
We came for kayaking and also to see the bridge, the hanging bridge, I think.
Hanging bridge, okay. Alright.
We're excited. It's just a 15 minutes activity. We're looking forward to it.
So this is the Kemmannu bridge, hanging bridge. Boys, can we walk so many people on the bridge? Sabu, side ho ja.
Funny.
Sabu.
Oh my god, this is the most dangerous part, right?
Hey guys, what is it happening? Shaking too much. बच्चों लोगों को संभालो हाँ. So this is a hanging bridge. When people walk, it's actually shaking so much. Yeah, Mikey, Danny, you know to swim, right?
No, they can't swim here. This is not that kind of water.
Okay.
But I can't even.
No, but they can. Daddy, don't hold Masi. Hold this sideways.
How was the experience?
Not fun.
Why?
फट के आ गई.
Are you guys scared?
Yes.
No.
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 Yeah, this is much easier than.
Guys, I almost crossed, okay? I don't know about you guys, but I'm safe.
Mikey said
Kayaks are ready.
Okay, now I'm not.
Guys, the kayaks are ready.
Okay.
What's that, boys, again?
Can't move at all in the kayak, okay?
Can't move, is it?
Yeah. Even in the camel, it used to be even more dangerous.
Is it?
Yeah,
This is
that's
more,
why I'm keeping
it's
my
more
bag.
dangerous, but it used to be more scary on the camel. But if you fall in this, it's gonna be much more.
Is that the boat? The kayaking boat?
Yep, the boat, sir.
The boat. Are you scared?
Then the long boat is there. Whoa!
Are you scared?
Yes.
Are you?
You and me can go on that red one. Because it looks like a...
It's the three of us actually. You, me, and Jeta in the same one. Mikey, तो आगे बैठ जा.
बैठ जाओ ये और ये अपने साइड होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं आना चाहिए और ऐसा भी नहीं आना चाहिए, ऐसा उस बोर्ड से आगे मत निकल जाओ.
ठीक है.
और यहाँ पे एक पिंक हाउस.
ओके, ठीक है. ओके.
हो सके मिडिल में खेलो, साइड में मत जाओ.
ठीक है.
अगर कुछ हेल्प चाहिए तो मेरे को बुला लो, मैं आ जाऊंगा.
ओके. हेलो. Whoa, this is amazing, guys. Hi, Gigi. How are you doing? Mikey, Danny. Hi. We are next to you guys. आज कुछ मच्छी मिला क्या मैडम? Hi Sabu. How is it going?
We're just resting for a bit.
Is it? So this is the kayak we are in. We are in the red kayak, and that's a family in the yellow green kayak. So can you continue to do that so we can go there? And that's the hanging bridge in front that we just crossed. How was it? Really?
Danny had too much fun. Danny didn't want to come out.
Danny, you are the only athletic person in our group.
That was fantastic.
Huh?
It was fun. I was the only one who didn't do.
That's why you said it's fun, no?
Mom, what do you say?
Beautiful food. Fish curry, fish fry. Very nice, tasty, tasty.
Did you even take one bite?
No, I'll eat.
How do you know it's tasty?
Looks tasty.